Hello, welcome to Angular Step by Step course. Today we will discuss about the services. Uh, Services are used to uh, transfer the data to the components which are not related to others. So before we have discussed about the input and output decorators, which is used to transfer the data between the parent and child. So coming to the services, it's there is no relation between the component. You can use the data whenever you want. In which component you want to write, you can inject that. You can use that services. So briefly, we can discuss about that services here, and here we can create a services by using the command ng generate service name. But after coming to that, if you created the services, it will be inject into the component. So we can see with an example for better understanding here. Yeah. uh, Here I'm creating one service ng generate service name, the service name, add data service, add data service. So it will take 2 minutes time to create. So I think it's created. You can see here, add data. Yeah, this is the add data service. Here I'm giving one data. I'm giving get data. This method I'm return one message. Okay, so I want to display this one. So through the services, so here I'm sending this data, and in the component.ts file, I'm giving. So in the constructor, I have to inject, right. So I will provide constructor here. The constructor, we need to inject the services. This process is known as dependency injection. So here you can use the private and public. When we want to use the private, it will give the information in that component. If you use the public, it will whenever you want to use, you can use it. So here I'm using private data, add data, add data services. So here I have completed. Then I'm implementing ng on init. So for initialization purpose, I'm giving this. So implementing ng on init. In the ng on init, I will assign the data to some message nessage. So I will provide this is string here. So I'm giving the string. Okay, I'm providing the string. Then this dot that what we have given this data, right. This dot data dot get data. So I think it will be coming from that. So you can give in the. Okay, so you can see that. So if ng so command, it will be displaying on the screen. Here we are using the add service in the app component.html. So by using dependency injection, here we are using. So because of that reason, it is working here. So you can see now variable code successfully it's completed. If you want to send the array from that, you can give like this. So if you want to send an array, okay, array, for example, I'm giving Apple, Samsung, Nokia. This is an array. I want to display this array here. So here I'm providing, for example, message. It is an array, right? So you can provide an empty array here. Okay, string. It will be fine. Now you can see here, in the component I will give like an oil lie. In the lie, you can provide as message. What do you want to give? I want rendering this by using ngif, ng for, so let item of message g, right? So here I am giving item. You can see now. You can see, yeah, Apple, Samsung, Nokia. Meanwhile, you can do like this also if you want to render any JSON data like this. Name, image, text, application, hello. Yeah. So here you can return like this also. Here you can give any, so it will be preferred, I think. So here you can give message dot name. Here you can give message dot name. So I will remove this and I will remove this and I will provide message dot name is location. You can see, you can take the next study time. So you can observe what going on here. So by using the services, you can render the data in anywhere by using the dependency injections. I hope you understand well. If you understand well, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.